Hey guys, this is Daniel Chinchilla and I'm a celebrity beauty artist. One of my favorite looks to do is winged eyeliner. And who better to inspire us than Kobe, the insta-famous cat with naturally perfect wings. I'm using tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown. This is going to give definition in a much more natural way. When you start the wing eyeliner, make sure you don't draw towards the end of the eye. Create more of a parallel line to your eyelid. That way it lifts in the end. Tattoo liner is transfer resistant, so your cat eye look will stay put. Now it's time to do her other eye. You guys are wondering, how am I gonna do that? Well, I have a little tip for you. Tape. This is a really good way to not stress about how perfect you're gonna get your eyeliner. When you're going towards the inner part of your eye, make sure that it's a little bit thinner because that's gonna, one, open up your eye, but two, it's gonna give you that nice wing shape we're trying to achieve. Don't forget to always open and close your eyes to keep checking that you get the exact shape that you want. Now I'm gonna use Go Big or Go Home mascara to finish the look. Don't forget to share your cat eye looks with us on Instagram by hashtagging #TattooLiner.